10 stunning water fountains around the world. Welcome to our channel, where we bring the world's most breathtaking sights right to your screen. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 most beautiful water fountains in the world. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, these fountains are marvels of art and engineering. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Stay until the end to discover a fountain that will leave you speechless. Let's get started. Number 1. The Dubai Fountain, UAE. Our first stop is at the base of the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, where you'll find the Dubai Fountain. This incredible fountain is the largest choreographed system on the planet, with water jets that shoot as high as 500 feet. Imagine standing there, surrounded by the mesmerizing display of light, water, and music, all synchronized to perfection. But here's the hook. Did you know that the Dubai Fountain can shoot over 22,000 gallons of water into the air at any given moment? That's the equivalent of an Olympic-sized swimming pool being launched into the sky. And with over 6,600 lights and 25 color projectors, it's a visual feast you can't miss. If you're ever in Dubai, make sure to catch this stunning spectacle. It's an experience that will leave you in awe. Number 2. Trevi Fountain, Rome, Italy. Next, we travel to the heart of Rome, where the world-famous Trevi Fountain stands as a timeless symbol of beauty and history. This Baroque masterpiece was completed in 1762 and has since become one of the most iconic fountains on the planet. But there's more to it than just its stunning architecture. Legend has it that tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain guarantees your return to the Eternal City. But here's something fascinating. Each day, nearly 3,000 euros are tossed into the fountain. These coins are collected and donated to charity, making this fountain not only a work of art but also a symbol of generosity. Whether you're admiring its beauty or taking part in the tradition, the Trevi Fountain is a must-see when in Rome, a place where history and legend come together in perfect harmony. Number 3. Fountain of Wealth, Singapore. From Rome, we now fly to Singapore to visit the Fountain of Wealth, an architectural marvel that holds a Guinness World Record as the largest fountain in the world. This fountain, located in the heart of Suntec City, symbolizes prosperity and good fortune, which is why its water flows inward, representing the retention of wealth. Here's something unique. Visitors can walk around the base of the fountain and touch the water for good luck. And at night, this iconic landmark transforms into a vibrant display of laser shows, music, and water dances, making it one of Singapore's top attractions. Whether you're seeking luck or just looking to be mesmerized by a visual spectacle, the Fountain of Wealth in Singapore offers an unforgettable experience that you won't want to miss. Number 4. The Buckingham Fountain, Chicago, USA. Next, we head to the heart of the Windy City, where the magnificent Buckingham Fountain takes center stage in Chicago's Grant Park. Modeled after the Latona Fountain at the Palace of Versailles, this fountain is one of the largest in the world and is a true American treasure. Here's a fact that will blow your mind. The Buckingham Fountain pumps an impressive 14,000 gallons of water per minute. And when the sun sets, it transforms into a dazzling light and water show, complete with music, lighting up the night sky in a mesmerizing display. Whether you're exploring Chicago by day or night, the Buckingham Fountain is a landmark you can't miss. Its beauty, size, and spectacular shows make it one of the most awe-inspiring fountains in the world. Number 5.
Versailles Fountain, Versailles, France.
Next, we journey to France, where the majestic fountains of Versailles have been enchanting visitors for centuries. These fountains are not just part of the palace's grand design, they are living pieces of history, dating back to the reign of Louis XIV, the Sun King himself. Each fountain is a masterpiece of engineering and artistry. Here's a fascinating detail. The hydraulic system powering these fountains has remained largely unchanged since the 17th century, and during the famous Grandes Eaux water shows, dozens of fountains throughout the gardens are synchronized to classical music, creating a magical experience that transports you back in time. A visit to the Versailles fountains is like stepping into a royal dream. With their timeless beauty and historical significance, these fountains are among the most enchanting in the world. Number 6. Bellagio Fountains, Las Vegas, USA. Welcome to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas, where the Bellagio Fountains put on a show that's nothing short of spectacular. These world-famous fountains are a mesmerizing blend of water, music, and light, creating an experience that draws crowds day and night. Here's something that might surprise you. With over 1,200 water nozzles and 4,500 lights, the Bellagio Fountains are capable of creating over 30 different shows, each one unique and choreographed to a range of music from classical to contemporary hits. No two performances are ever the same. Whether you're strolling along the Strip or watching from your hotel room, the Bellagio Fountains are an unforgettable highlight of any trip to Las Vegas. It's more than a fountain, it's a spectacle that captures the magic of this vibrant city. Number 7. The Magic Fountain of Montjuic, Barcelona, Spain. Now, we arrive in beautiful Barcelona, where the Magic Fountain of Montjuic lives up to its name with a dazzling display of water, lights, and music. Located at the foot of the Montjuic Hill, this fountain was originally built for the 1929 International Exposition and has since become a beloved symbol of the city. Here's a captivating fact. The Magic Fountain can create over 7 billion combinations of water and light effects. That means every performance is a completely unique experience. And during the summer months, this stunning spectacle draws thousands of visitors who gather to enjoy the magic under the stars. The Magic Fountain of Montjuic isn't just a fountain, it's a captivating show that brings together art, technology, and music in perfect harmony. It's a must-see attraction that embodies the spirit of Barcelona. Number 8. Stravinsky Fountain, Paris, France. Next, we find ourselves in the heart of Paris, where the Stravinsky Fountain offers a whimsical break from the city's classic elegance. This eclectic fountain, created by artists Jean Tingley and Niki da Saint-Phal, is a playful tribute to the Russian composer Igor Stravinsky. Each of the 16 sculptures in the fountain represents different musical themes from his works. But here's something you might not know. These quirky sculptures aren't just static pieces of art. They move. Powered by motors, some spin, some spray water, and others dance in rhythm, making this fountain feel alive. It's a colorful, creative spectacle that adds a modern twist to Parisian culture. The Stravinsky Fountain is where art, music, and fun collide. It's a vibrant splash of creativity in the middle of Paris, and a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the city's more avant-garde side. Number 9. Jet d'Eau, Geneva, Switzerland. Our next stop is Geneva, where the Jet d'Eau dominates the skyline with its majestic display. This iconic fountain propels water 140 meters, 459 feet, into the air, making it one of the tallest fountains in the world. Originally installed in 1886, it was initially a safety valve for a hydraulic power network, but it quickly became a symbol of the city. Here's a mind-blowing detail. The Jet d'Eau pumps an astonishing 500 liters of water per second at a speed of 200 kilometers per hour. This makes it not only visually stunning but also an engineering marvel. The fountain is illuminated at night, creating a striking beacon over the lake that can be seen from all around the city. Whether you're viewing it from the lakeside or catching a glimpse from afar, The Jet d'Eau is a must-see landmark that embodies the elegance and innovation of Geneva. It's a powerful reminder of the beauty that can emerge from both nature and human ingenuity. Number 10. Friendship of Nations Fountain, Moscow, Russia. In Moscow, the Friendship of Nations Fountain is a striking symbol of unity and grandeur. Built in 1954 during the Soviet era, this fountain features 16 golden statues representing the republics of the Soviet Union. With its combination of historical significance, beautiful design, and the shimmering glow of gold, it stands as one of Russia's most beautiful landmarks. But here's something you may not know. The fountain's base is shaped like a massive flower with 1,000 water jets that create a stunning visual effect, especially at night when it's lit up. This grand display symbolizes the unity and friendship among the nations, making it a piece of living history that still captivates visitors today. From its artistic beauty to its historical depth, the Friendship of Nations Fountain is a must-see in Moscow, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of the past and a testament to the enduring spirit of unity. And there you have it, the 10 most beautiful water fountains in the world. From the towering Jet d'Eau in Geneva to the enchanting Magic Fountain in Barcelona, these fountains showcase the perfect blend of art, engineering, and nature. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Until next time, keep exploring the world's wonders.